been holding off a little while before I show you guys this one. Xbox recently went Red Ring of Death. I've used the hot air gun technique a couple of times with loads of flux to reflow it, but this is about the third time or the fourth time it's gone Red Ring of Death. So I'm going to show you a quick hack I've discovered. Just done a couple of modifications. I didn't have the official power supply, so I just used some ATX power supply cable, so we've got the 5 volts and the 12 volts to run it. This is just a little input for got a can of compressed air. That's basically just going to cool the CPU. And this is my improvised power switch, because the one on the back doesn't work. So we're going to take this outside, start it up and give it a go. Right, so I'll just hit the oh god. Oh no. Just give it some more cooling. I think it's overheated. Oh, it's overheated, yeah. That's the problem with these Xboxes. They always overheat. Oh, it's not happening. Yeah, it's pretty common. Just burst into flames. Yeah, CPU's on fire. It's a shame really, because they're quite nice consoles. Let's see if we can cool it down a bit. Just going to give it some more compressed air, see if that helps. No. Oh, she's a gunner. Shame really. You're on fire inside. As well. As you can see, the button's been deactivated. It can be quite a challenge just to remove this last support, but you don't really need to remove it. We can just grind the CPU out from here. Final step's pretty simple, just how to basic.